Phoenix.
I wanted the fame, but not the cover of Newsweek. Oh well, guess beggars can't be choosy. Waited when I blew see, but it was confusing. Cause all I wanted to do is be the Bruce Lee of loosely abused ink. Use it as a tool when I blew steam. Hit the lottery, cause I think I'm getting so huge I need a shrink. I'm beginning to lose sleep. One sheep, two sheep, going cuckoo and kooky is cool key. But I'm actually weirder than you think.
Hi. I am looking for Molly. I've been searching everywhere and I can't seem to find Molly.